we'll guide you through how to create a folder in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look to the left side of the screen and you'll see a big plus button labeled New. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. The first option you'll see is Folder. Click on Folder, and a small window will pop up, prompting you to name your folder. Enter a name that makes sense to you, something that helps you easily identify the contents you plan to store. Once you've typed in the name, click Create. And there you have it. Your new folder will now appear in your Google Drive. You can click and drag files into this folder to keep everything organized. If you want to share this folder with others, you can right-click on the folder, select Share, and then enter the email addresses of the people you want to grant access to. You can decide whether they can view, comment, or edit the contents of the folder. This organizational feature is super handy for keeping your digital life tidy, whether you're managing personal documents or collaborating with colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.